Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to create sticky scroll effect in WIX Studio. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to the editor of your website. Once over here, first of all add a new section. Now what we need to do is to add a bunch of cells over here. So first of all, on the right hand side of size you'll see three dots, tap on it, and over here make sure that advanced settings are toggled on. Now here what you need to do is to click on the height option, and over here make sure to choose viewport height and make sure this is set to 300. Now every section will be 100 viewport height as we're gonna add 3 cells. Now click on your section and over here click on blank, and now in the drop down make sure to choose rows, and now on the right hand side panel scroll down and you'll see an option for rows. Click on the drop down on the right hand side, and on the left click on the plus icon to add another row to make a total of 3 rows, and click on each of them one by one and make sure to choose fraction. Now what we need to do is to start adding our containers. So right click on your page and then go to quick add, and over here click on container. Once added, on the right hand side of the container you'll see a full screen option, tap on it and this will scale the container to your cell. Now here make sure your container is selected, and now on the right hand side scroll down until you get to the option of margins, and towards the right of it click on the pixels icon and make sure to choose percentage, and now make sure to individually add 5% on all of them. So you'll need to do this for every single cell. So do the same by adding the container, completely scaling it, and then adding margins. Now once you have done this on all of your cells, and then you need to actually make your pages. As over here I'm not going to customize all of the containers, I'm just going to change the colors of them. So I'll just click on the containers, and on the right hand side I'll click on the background color and add a background color, and I'll do this to each of the 3 cells. Now once you're completely done with customizing your cells, then go to the first cell and click on it, and on the right panel scroll down until you get to the position section and make sure to choose this to sticky. Do the same thing with the rest of the cells as well. Now make sure that all of these cells are added to the same section. Once done, on the top right hand side click on the preview icon and you'll see the effect, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.